Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right SHEIN shopping app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. First, I'll uninstall the app before we begin the process. Now to do this, you need to go to Google Play Store app if you are on Android smartphone like me. However, if you are on iPhone, look for an app called App Store. From here, if I open my Google Play Store, I'll log in with my Gmail before I can search for my app. So I'll just search for SHEIN app like that, and then I'll run the search by tapping on this. And now we have our app here. So be careful, we might have replicas that are sharing the same name. So the right one is this that appears on the top. And to ensure that it is the right app, make sure it is from Roadgate Business Pte Limited. And at the time of recording this shopping app had a star rating of 4.6 with over 8 million. So as you can see, it is widely used. And currently this app has been downloaded over 500 million times, and the average file size is around 27 MBs. So if you see these details, then you will know that you have the right SHEIN Shopping online app. To get it now, tap on install, and this will download the latest version of SHEIN Shopping online app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and open from here. Or if you go to your apps, now you can see we have our SHEIN Shopping app, and this is the welcoming logo when you open it. So that's how you can install the right SHEIN Shopping app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.